Hey guys, you're highly welcome back to my channel. If you're coming for the first time, you're highly welcome. Today I'm going to share with you this very simple but special yam and chicken pepper soup. If you're interested, please continue watching. So to make this dish, we need chicken. Here I have hard chicken, or you can make use of any type, whether soft or hard, or any other type of meat of your choice. Here I have some yams. These are frozen yams. If you want to know how I store my yams to stay for months in the freezer, please check out my other video. I'll link it in the description box. In this plate I have one bell pepper, just to give color to the dish. I have 2 onions. I have 2 cloves of garlic. I have ginger, and I have 2 habanero peppers. You can add more or less. Here I have salt, I have some ehuru seeds, and I have seasoning cubes. Here I have some pepper soup spice, but if you don't have this, just make use of the ehuru seeds and the other spices. Here I also have some thyme for the chicken. I have dried scent leaf, that is in chow. If you have the fresh one, please use it, but because I don't have the fresh one, I'll be making use of basil as well. So these are all my ingredients. So to prep our ingredients, first of all, if you have dry nchoawu, soak it in water, then go ahead and slice one of the onion, then the other one blend it with the ginger, the garlic, and the habanero pepper. I also added my seasoning cube because it is so hard, so I prefer to just blend everything together. Now add your already washed chicken to a pot. Next, add in the thyme for seasoning. Add some salt to taste. Add some of the pepper soup spice for seasoning. Next, add the blended garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, and seasoning cube mixture. Add the chopped onions, stir everything together, cover it and let it cook. This step is really necessary if you want your chicken to taste good. So just add all your seasonings and add just little water. That's the water you used in blending the onions and the pepper. Add everything, cover it, and let the chicken cook on it. This was after about 15 minutes. The chicken has absorbed all the seasonings and the spices, and it has also produced its own water. So at this point, you are just going to add more water, just the quantity that we need to be in the pepper soup. You can decide to add more or add less. So just add water, stir it again, cover it, and let the chicken continue cooking. Now this was after about 15 to 20 more minutes, and my chicken has become very soft at this point. So I just went ahead to add in my yams. Okay, do not add your yams at the initial time because the yam is going to be so overcooked. So it's better to cook the chicken first, then when the chicken is done, you can go ahead and just add your yams. So now that we've added our yams, we are going to add more spice and more seasonings to this pepper soup. Firstly, I added my blended crayfish and ehuru. Next, I added one more seasoning cube. I also added some salt to taste. Finally, I added some more pepper soup spice and I mixed everything together. Because I was making use of the dried scent leaf, I added it at this point. If you have it in fresh form, please do not add it at this point. It should be the last thing. So once I added the scent leaf, I covered the pot and I allow it to cook for more 5 minutes. So this was after 5 minutes, and see how beautiful everything is just looking. So give it another stir. If you want this to be more liquidy, just go ahead and add more water, but for me this consistency is very okay for me. So at this point I also added my chopped bell peppers. You can also use red atarodo to achieve this if you don't mind the hotness. Finally, we are going to add our fresh basil. If you have the fresh scent leaf, this is the time to add it. So once you add these vegetables, just turn off your heat and mix everything together for the very last time, and your food is ready. This is so yummy and so delicious, especially the meat. Because of the way I seasoned the meat was so tasty. I just hope you try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turns out. And please subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. Also turn on your bell notification, that is the bell sign by the side of that subscribe button, so that whenever I put up a new video you'll be notified. And as I said earlier, if you want to know how to store your yams to stay for months in the freezer, please check the description box for that video. So thank you so much for watching to this very point, and I hope by now that you've given this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and God bless you. Bye.